Me rifle, shot fly through your heavy rifle.
Hey, may I watch a video just start, but may I watch a video right now, dog. 𝐑𝐂𝐂 just forward out to the dog. But 𝐑𝐂𝐂 start the music video again to dog. Like, just imagine.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the ready to be boy 𝐑𝐂𝐂 reaction button back in effect with another video for you guys. See, this is the third video for today. You feel me? Right now we have a song from 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Sparta. The song is called One War official music video. Yes, it's been out for a minute, but guess what? I'm still gonna react to it because remember listening to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 song them from man in like high school. Bobby Nile. Yeah, this is me I say. And the dog drop a song right now. I think I'm gonna say yo. That song I get the old school 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿𝐍 vibes. So I want to see what go on. You see me I say. Remember the dog, I'm here to Uncle D man and them thing there. Never get to react to them songs because never the youth to them time but at them songs I really grew up and go through high school. You see me I say D man thing. You see me I say D man girl man them thing there. You see me I say Uncle D man and them. You see me? So that's the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐍 we know and that's the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐍 we love. So we could see what go that one right now. So we know there from reaction obviously know the song already because I've been off like what? I don't know how long but we could see what go on. I say remember if me not react to it, me not listen because no shall leave already, so I'm going to see what I'm going right now. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐍 Sparta One War official video. Run tune. Last the music.
Me rifle, shot fly through your heavy rifle.
Hey. May I watch a video just start, but may I watch a video right now, dog. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎��� just forward out to the dog. But 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐍 start the music video again to dog. Like, just imagine that, dog. Oh my days. And you know, so tell me, obviously, my wear ski mask and them long time. You know, so 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐍 start with the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓 thing right now because they don't know it chop already. Oh my days.
Just to spit saliva. The rifle them lift up and beat them free. Well place smash up when Sparta step hard like elephant feet. Have some militant girl what we make your mother buy be a coffee and read. Pull up on your hands extension military weapon 21 day. 21 day. You want war? We bring beef. Vengeance when I roll with teeth.
If you want war, we bring beef. Vengeance like I roll with teeth. What
military weapon 21 day. 21 day. You want war? We bring beef. Vengeance when I roll with teeth. That fight teeth is on the boys to pick and greet. Be a gunman in a clique. So anytime you want to see a maker, pussy try run up and see.
Oh god. Oh, this is just bring back all fucking memories that the dog sound so freaking like his voice to change. Did that voice to change at all, dog? Yeah. Anywhere we walk. John was start listen.
You want to see a maker, pussy try run up and see. Be a gunman in a area. Make the wall I wanna go feel. Say the pussy them afraid. Keep them food and capture the wife and tell them coffee more brain. All them attack and I run up them boat dog. None of them no better than they.
Never.
When jump to wall and circle them ends and mash up him head. Pussy them afraid. Man rich and gifted boy. From a try this system boy. Gunshot twist him flicking. Them a gonna twist like biscuit boy. Send two bad gal.
Nah, lie, you know, dog. But I mean, not wrong, boys, but they look like a two clone in the background. What the fuck is going on? Look.
Gonna twist like biscuit boy. Send two bad gal tricking. Seriously, you mistake boys. You're gonna lick in. War, biggest teeth. Black chick on a man can see. Just a licking eye, me back and I broke up him teeth. Then I cocky pussy don't keep. Tropical and must sweet like a venomous breeze. Anyway, you we come read. I better feel me bumbo clock eagle. So go and feel me bumbo clock eagle. Me no hear my miss. Head shell out, pain and grief. Be a bad knees, be a down knees. Mama pray for me. Anytime I want to see a maker, pussy try run up and see. Clap gunshot in your ass down. Let the whole I wanna go feel. You want war? We bring beef. Vengeance when I roll with teeth. That a fight teeth is on the boys to pick and greet. Be a gunman in a clique.
actually like that song. When it come out 2 months ago, 3 months ago. I like how the dog come out and it's like, you know, people that talk about if I'm gonna really get back, you know, in flow or in tune with what, you know, in style. And if he can keep up with the modern thing, is this proof? Is he not doing it? Like Jano? This is what the comments have to say because me as I talk about sound like old family who agree. See? The old family is back in the Trinidad. Fancy. Yo, leave Jamaica alone. The original family, what we needed. Bet family the Spartan King is that never gone away. I watch it every day. That we talk about our Sparta fans, blah blah blah. The Spartan miss the old family, Sparta, miss the old rhymes of family, Sparta. Alright, see? So the same thing I'm really I get from this. Let me see what my brother said about that squash. I just read that squash song here a while ago, dog. Let me see what my brother said about that song, dog. Big up Jamaica Roughs game. Is it me? I say big up.
Hello.
What you say about that song, dog? Not you that. I want to go to the end of your video. What you say about it?
6 there. I was right. Baba 6 is in the video.
6 pants bust blood shoot out a head. Rich man.
I'm a dog.
Skin boss.
See the dog face so like my one at the end of it.
Millisecond.
Binds! Man says 6. Filmed by Buds. Yo! What I say now? What I say?
What you want to say?
Are we gonna get a war? Are we gonna get an actual direct war? Shades are sure. No shades are sure. Some of the shades them win what we attack. I'm a dog, dog. You hear me I say? Remember say Skeng did foul out and say yo, knock it pan a 6, you know. No Squasher say yo, kill any boy we are knock it pan a 6 basically in a dog. So Skeng, are you the man attacking them, bro? So we are gonna do? Make that stay. Oh no, forward.
We never pick up that a while ago. Well, I we just have a whole different. You know, my God, make up for yourself to look. This is a whole different reaction. But true, just that's on the dog. I'm just the dog. Second thoughts on this. I mean, so what did I really talk about? This is the best way to get female's perspective at the end of the video. But big up yourself, you know, Jamaica Roughs. I'm a God.